Sola Craft Company Limited is founded in 2008, Yiwu City, Zhejiang Province in China. Sola Craft is engaged in supply and wholesale kawaii slime resin flatback cobochons, polymer clay slice sprinkles, nail art filler, alloy jewelry charms, hair accessories, keychains, resin silicone mold, earring jewelry, bracelet jewelry, necklace jewelry, and other jewelry beads, cord, etc. spacer accessories, chandelier crystal trimming, beaded garland curtain, etc. All the resin, glitter, beads, charms contain more than 1,000 of sharps like Cake Cookie Series, Chocolate Series, Christmas Series, Halloween Series, Flower Series, Star Series, Heart Series, Animal Series, Insect Series, Vegetable Fruit Series, Sea Series, Cartoon Series, etc. Also can offer the design making. And we have many of the different color for choose. And we have a professional sales team which can offer you great services. And we have the strict quality control system, which is guarantee of our product's quality for you. Good quality is always regarded as Sola Craft first priority and the key to our business success. Currently, we already exported to America, Germany, France, Russia, Poland, Japan, Korea, etc. Our products is very popular in the world. Trial order and sample order is welcome. We also welcome customers' designs and OEM orders. Warmly welcome you and opening up the boundaries of communication. We synchronize with your ideal partner. We are looking forward to establishing long-term business relations with you